see the
He's
Dr.
right,
tree?
no, he's right there.
Oh, that's one of the
The mango.
mango. Yeah. So pretty though.
There he is right there. He's right behind you.
Big.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, they're beautiful. You do a great job. Very gorgeous.
All right, I hope they see you again.
Yes, you will, for sure. Thank you.
Thanks, Barney.
What?
Point out to the water.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go paddleboard. Can I go now?
Barry.
No thanks. We're good. All right.
Very good. Captain Bow. Drag one. I didn't go very fast. Always see Calabash, always see
Nice when you feel it down. You can see my Jamaican rumble. We'll put you as far as you want. You have to charge for Jamaican. Oh, come to Jamaica. This is what we got here. My sweet Jamaica. That dungeon and water. Don't appetite for Jamaican. No gum 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 to Jamaica. Tropical area. Mighty Jamaica. London, Johnson and Father.
What do you get?
Well, I could always go for a grilled snapper sandwich or something. Grilled catch of the day. You know it's going to be snapper.
I think I'm gonna get the snapper salad.
Yeah, man. Wagwan. Big up. Susie and John every time. Yes. Crystal Punch, yeah.
Which is close to the island vinegar, or if you want the ranch dressing.
I'll stick with the house.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, I'm taking the special.
Special.
Yeah.
Special for me.
Special. With the red shirt, right?
Yeah.
Special.
She wants
Royal photography, you know what I mean?
Straight.
cocoa made and soda water.
With the lime in it, like that.
Yeah, and I'll take a red stripe with lime. It's busy, man.
Yeah. You're welcome.
If this was a bird, what would you call it?
I have no clue.
No clue?
No.
Alright. Swallow!
Oh,
Nice. It's one of my favorite things in Jamaica.
Yeah, bro.
yeah.
That one, nigga.
Oh yeah, the video.
Yeah.
Oh, more common.
That's good. Go for it.
I'm gonna eat your pickle.
Mmm,
Is it good?
lovely. It's good.
Good. That looks good, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Is that jerk sauce?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah. Good.
No, it's good though.
Where are they saying now?
Well, you know what? We're gonna send off this John here. We're gonna catch Susie. Susie on the platform. John real quick. Set up the John. Get it going.
Always cold red
Red
stripe.
for the red man.
Whoosh. Respect.
You gotta match your outfit.
Oops. See? Cheers. Pop it.
All right.
It's warm enough.
Okay.
Way down yonder.
Ready?
You know the man can't do them thing a star. You know so the man can't do them thing a. I learn. Yeah, go and good then, man. Yeah, sir. Where the injury? Where you get injured, you know? Our chop. Man, I'm careful, man. Oh, you out a sea star and just a forward in back.
Madness.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah. Jamaican lifestyle. Oh.
Go ahead.
What? Big up Royal Tours and Photography. Bless up.
Yeah, man.
You said extra.
Say whatever I want. Hi, this is our 14th trip to Jamaica and our 12th trip to 7 Mile Beach, which we love. It's the best beach on the world, but don't tell anybody.
On the world?
And don't come here.
Okay.
Bullshit.
Ah!
I lost my balance there. Ready? Whoop.
I'm not even on here.
You're hanging on me.
Big up Danny, do yourself, man, for real.
One dinner,
So
man.
comes some fish fry, more than the earth chop.
Seeing dinner.
12 of me.
I ate, man.
Yeah, more than
I
a
ate,
fish
you
fry.
know.
I told the guy that I want to do a Danny know me. Yeah.
We're giving
Yes.
him some tea.
That's cool.
Brighter smile.
Yeah, man.
Brighter smile.
There you go.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
lose that.
No.
That's 300, okay?
Thank
Danny,
That's for the tea.
Yeah,
I,
man.
I
Wait, you
shall
gotta give him his card and his phone
Oh,
number
yeah.
back too.
Oh,
Danny.
that's super cool.
Danny's a shellman on the beach, you know.
Yeah, man. Respect,
The one
man.
that's
Yeah,
super
man.
cool.
One love,
Queen
you know.
Conk. Danny.
Yeah, man,
Check
I
Danny
eat,
for
man.
it. Deep. 150 feet.
Original. No, you can
Yeah,
keep it.
up.
You got this already?
Yeah, I
We
got it.
put
It's
it
in
in
my
our
phone.
phone.
No problem.
Yeah, those are tarpon.
Big fish.
The present for group Well,
I have a green thumb, you know.
I tried it and it worked, you know.
So what's your field of science?
Eh?
Medical?
No. Horticulture.
Culture?
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
very good. I know we eat that up still. Just not try.
So what them call this place?
Blackwater.
Blackwater.
Yeah.
It's black water.
Born and grown here, but in and out, you know,
So
traveling all
why
over.
do you think that they gave the place the name
Well,
Black?
the water was always dark.
Oh.
Because there's a river out there, you know, close to the shop.
Oh, okay.
Yes, man. A river run right beside the shop there, man.
Oh, look one day. One day not forget.
Yeah, but no, because what happened now, you know, they need to clean it.
Okay, so
Yeah. They need to clean it, man, but they're not cleaning it at all. The big problem.
Cool.
First time it's gonna be here.
Yeah, first time.
The babies.
Yeah, man, yeah.
How long have this tree now?
About 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
First.
First, yeah, first time. And that's what you guys have the yellow ones. Yellow ones are canary. And the brown and the black one here, there, that one little one there. That's the army finch. They are from Cuba. I heard because when we were growing up, we didn't see these type of birds around here.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden they are here. You know. See a diamond dove over there in the nest.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called, but I've had one before, and it got really big.
Okay. That's a small apple tree there, American apple.
Right here.
Yeah.
Cool. You got it? You got it to grow here?
Yes, man. I have a bigger one around there.
Cool.
A bigger one around the back.
You think it might bear?
Boy, I'm telling you, I hope so.
Okay, keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah. It will be here. You just have to, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Good for the nerves too, you know. Drink the leaf. Boil it and drink the leaf. Good for the nerves.
Boil it and go like this.
Aloe vera. Yeah.
These peppers in here?
Yeah. Sweet
Yeah.
pepper.
Hey, Susie, have you tried guava before?
No.
For real?
Push it
I've
up
had
and put
guava
it.
juice.
But not the
juice.
actual guava.
Yeah, man. You can just wash that and eat, man.
Yeah, man, it's very nice.
I don't want
And
that
has
when you
a
drop
good
it.
Be the guy to share. Get a sharer. Yeah, man, this is natural Viagra. Especially the white part here. That's a good part to eat. Yeah, man.
You can eat the guava just like that, you know. Just cut it and eat, man. And eat the seed
Yeah,
and
man, just eat
everything.
it. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
just the seed and everything.
Oh, just give me a piece.
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Sure?
But-
No, man,
Yeah,
this is for me. And
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
man.
you, man.
All right.
Well, man, don't worry. Remember, we live here. You know.
Yeah.
Oh
we
my
know-
God, that's so
We
sweet.
know where to find. We know where to find a former scientist.
Yeah.
He's younger than me, so I need more Viagra than him.
Thanks.
Good job. It's delicious.
Yeah, it's nice, man. All right, we can walk and talk still, you know. Leave this from my boys, you know, because I like to pick them.
Natural Viagra. Compliments of the beast mode. When you're working out, you need to eat these things.
Yeah.
Both in the gym and in the bedroom.
Yes, man. I have to be small in the gym and in the
In
bedroom.
the bedroom.
So I have to eat the natural Viagra. I have to go all the way down
All
to the
way
white
down. Actually down to skin.
skin. Right? You almost want to eat the skin.
Actually the skin is very
See,
lucky.
John is charged up. Problem later. Problem. Big problem. Well,
Good now?
I think
Charged?
let me inspect it. I
charged
think
up?
you're charged up, brother.
Oh man.
I don't think we should go any deeper than that. man's a good look. You know what this is right here?
Yeah?
Did she check this one? Lemongrass, you
Yeah,
get it?
lemongrass.
AKA fever grass.
That's one of the best.
Yeah, every morning I drink it, man. Every
Yeah.
morning. Eat that from you as well.
Don't eat me. Put me back.
No,
Not my day.
not my day.
Both of them you have there.
But yeah, they get.
Oh, so these are small compared to y'all eggplants.
Well, we have a kind that's long and skinny,
Okay.
or we have one that's bigger, like that. Yeah.
Oh, so y'all have two different species.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's cherries. Those are easily identical. These are.
Is there a pit
These are good for you.
for seed in the middle?
Yeah, man, we're on the road to Pelican. We're heading to the Pelican Bar.
We hope.
What's poppin',
Strong-
Susie?
I have a very strong feeling.
Are you enjoying yourself?
that-
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Time for some adventure, you know?
Oh, okay. Here we go. All right. Real place.
It's the gateway to the Pelican Bar.
Gateway. We entering through the gateway.
The gateway.
We're not going to the back way, the back door of this window. We're going to the gateway.
You're gonna do it now. So it's close. Two of them? Just one.
We're headed to the Pelican Bar. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Woohoo! A good look like you're reading a good book.
Lifestyle.
Right.
Jamaican lifestyle, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Jamaican lifestyle. Yes. You know, Jamaican lifestyle team, big up yourself, Royal Photography. At it, we got Susie and John holding it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're on our way. Alright, who will know the date? What's the date today?
What's the
I
date?
don't know what
The
it is.
actual date?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
date. The date.
The 25th?
24th of April.
Don't spill your beer.
Huh?
I said if you drop it down, I drop your foot, some extra hole in
Yeah, man, I'm lucky man. Tight grip. Yes, it is. I got my some fried chicken with some vegetables and rice. And I'm headed to the Pelican Bar right now. I got me a Cormorant stripe. Woo! Representing.
What's the food?
It's fried chicken.
Oh.
A lot of pepper, a lot of ketchup, vegetables,
I hope it's not
cabbage.
that
No, I don't think it's touch.
Better let Genius try it first.
No, not me.
Oh man, I got some crown in here for you too.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, we got the
Man, I'm
crown.
happy y'all got
Got
some,
the
man.
crown.
Just
Share it.
that crown was the
Yeah, man.
bomb, man.
With juice, okay.
That was the bomb.
It's good, it's not touch, it's good.
Yeah, I can't wait to hit that. So right now we are rolling the Pelican. You know what I mean? Jamaican Lifestyle TV, Royal Photography. And we also give up the guide, give up yourself Jamaica. You know what I mean? And we have the beautiful folks here enjoying the ride. You know what I mean? Folks in back, pick up yourself. Everybody will enjoy. It's a beautiful day, trust me.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
that's good.
Oh.
That's my beer.
Nice ride.
I'm trying to be like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Yeah, man, you're right there, man.
I'm here.
You just need to line it like this
Yeah.
next time and leave it grow. Leave it. Welcome. Pleasure to be here. Without Pelican Bar, you know what I mean? We out at sea. Alright. We have a little small bump, but it's all good.
Is this our, like, can we leave our shoes here or they're
They're
going to
going
take
back.
us back?
Yeah.
The same people?
You take a shoe.
Will I want my shoes? Probably not.
No need to worry. No. Take your time.
Yeah, give me the shoes. He says we're gonna want the shoes up there.
Got it? We used to have a car, it was called a swinger.
Yeah.
And we had this cool license plate with sunflowers on it. And it says swinger on it.
Yeah.
It's really cool. We need to bring it out here next time.
Pelican Bar, it's that.
Yeah.
You know how we do it.
I wonder if they have one.
For a small fee.
Or maybe they'll do it for you.
Yeah.
This guy's a carver.
Qualified.
Yeah, man.
Wearing the right shirt. How are you? Good.
Okay. Well, find us a good spot.
Oh, this is very special.
It's S-U-C-Y and J-O-H-N. And then we can put
Look at get the sign. No drone flying allowed. Right there.
Oh, J.
Hey, Genius, what you got there, man? We're covering up.
That's some good Bob Marley I'm smoking, you know? It's kind of getting low now, but we're still refilling.
All right. Don't get too high, because remember, you can't fly.
You know what I mean? Can't swim.
Yeah, it was you.
Shaggy.
I heard you.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. So now we depart on the Pelican, you know what I mean? And heading back to Jamaica. Land we love. Yeah, we gotta get the passport stamp for going back to Jamaica now. Yeah. John, what's your opinion on the crocodiles?
I can't do that right now. Maybe do that. If you're gonna do that before you go to the Pelican Bar.
Yeah, but not now.
Not
No, man, now is the best time.
crocodiles.
How about you, sir?
You're gonna go. If you're gonna go to crocodiles. Go to
All right,
the
there you go.
Pelican Bar.
But John, let me tell you about the crocodiles now. Studies have shown that Jamaican crocodiles are the most friendly in the world. So if you even fall in the water, they will help you back with the boat.
Of course.
Right.
I totally believe that.
How about you, Susan? You believe that?
I think he's full of.
They help you by pinching on you when you jump back in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
want
make you hurry up.
Yeah, they hurry, get back in the boat. What are you doing in the water with us?
Okay, so
Freak the hell out.
we ain't messing with the getters today. We ain't messing with no crocs today.
No crocs today.
No
Alright.
man.
You
No
said
sir.
crocs for
No
another
sir.
day.
No
Cool,
crocs.
cool.
So the thing is, Susie and John come to Jamaica very often, so they don't have to do everything in one go.
You're right.
Right.
We can always pace ourselves because it's years and years to come of traveling and touring and having fun.
Yes.
So we can do one trip every trip.
Yeah, don't try to do everything at once.
No, because we have to pace ourselves. Yeah. We're gonna cover. We're gonna eventually cover the whole island. Eventually.
Yep,
Yeah, man.
we're working on it.
From
Y'all
Nigger
doing a
Point to
good
Boran
job.
Point. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So now we're traveling along the road. We're leaving from the Pelican. We are currently in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. You know what I mean? We're heading straight back to Negril on this epic journey. Royal Photography.
Up,
And
up,
tours.
up.
Straight.
Big up Susie. Big up John.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Big up KC.
In the house.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It's fun, man.
Anybody you guys want to big up back home?
Chris.
Chris.
Big up
Big
Chris.
up Chris.
Big up Chris. Let me big up Chris too. Hey,
Yeah, he would have liked that.
Chris.
I wish he was here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Chris,
He'll be out there
man.
smoking. Like, come on, we gotta go.
Chris, when you come back to Jamaica, I'll make sure I have the highest grade ready and rolled up for you at the airport.
Alright, Chris.
Big up Chris every time, man.
Make sure you get yourself
Next
prepared.
trip October, we expect to see you, man. If you don't make it October, make it April. Make it again, man. Don't be scared of the plane.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Black River Town,
Let's say advert to me.
Jamaica.
Yeah, Black River and this is Scotiabank. A lot of business is done here.
Yeah, the business hub of St. Elizabeth.
Yeah. And Suttonsburg is known as the food basket of Jamaica. When you want vegetables in seasoning, this is where majority of the seasoning and vegetable come from for the island, supply the whole island. All of the biggest farmers, they live in this area. These are Jamaican farmers.
Yeah man, nice place. Very rural, but it's nice. Going up St. Elizabeth. See, man, it's dangerous enough. Dangerous. No, sir. Hustle and bustle every day. Survival. Popcorn. It's a cool.
Yeah, Sajikur, bang.
Yep. All about the money.
Liquor shop.
White.
They like, no, that's the trick.
Yeah, that's the trick.
They're really black, but they want